had their hands up, who I can see here right now. And okay, Neville, let's get you on. All right, Akriti, Ronald, everybody else, hang in there. This works so fast, so quick. We're gonna have time for plenty. Okay, for Mona, Siddhant, Manisha, Goyal, and Mehta, and for Neville, you're on mute for now. Neville, you can lower your hand. Thanks. You're on mute for now. What Brenda and Charu are already doing. Okay, do you want to ask them any questions first by any chance, or you're just going into it?
We're just going to it. Yeah, we'll just go into it. It's much easier. So just to let everybody know is what we're going to tell each one
is by what percentage your money is blocked, and the primary emotion that is blocking your money,
and the priority ancestor blocking your money.
Okay, Brenda, Charu, can you speak a little louder? I don't know about anybody else, but to me, your voice is coming a little, what's the thing? Little dhima. So I'm just repeating for everybody.
Neville's is unmuted, so
one second.
It's creating a lot of disturbance.
Yeah, that's done. Yes. Thank you. I was wondering where the sound was. I didn't notice it was So just repeat for everybody once, Brenda, what you're checking for all of them individually.
Yeah, so first thing that we'll check for individually is by what percentage their money is blocked. The money flow is blocked. By what percentage we'll give them that information. Then we will also tell them the main emotion that is blocking the money flow. Right. And the third thing
is the priority ancestor blocking the money flows.
All right. And then the ancestor blocking it's not necessary. If there is, you'll be able to tell them.
Yeah, we will. Right. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope everybody got that. And Renita, yes, we will get you on next time. So sorry about that. All right. While they're doing their work, and trust me, they're very fast. If you do have any questions, do put them up in the group. Okay. And also once done, one by one, whoever's on the screen right now, you're most welcome to interact with Brenda and Charu. I would only request that you keep the questions limited to what is being asked of and what you could do about it. Okay, Neha, I can see your hands up. I've made note of your name. You can lower your hand for now. When we do the next round, we'll ask everybody to raise their hands again. So, don't worry, Bhavna. I just saw your face. Do not worry. You will get time. You will get to get on. Not to worry at all. In the meantime, while they're doing this, just letting you know that Brenda and Charu actually have had a huge amount of success with this work that they do, that they've been doing for years now. In fact, part of the work that they do, which is not going to be happening, they have a regular set of money clearings that they do with all their students, and there's some amazing stuff that happens there. And I, for one, the team, Brenda and Charu, all of us, we simply cannot wait for you to see what pops up for you guys, and for you to see what next you can do with that bit of information. And Rita, yes, of course, as I said, we'll take everybody. Just keep your videos on, okay? All right, you know what? Let me just keep the next group ready as well. So there's Renita, there's Neha, sorry, I've missed your surname. In case I do, just let me know. There's Bhavna, okay? And there's Rita. And Vaishali and Ronald, if your videos are not on, I'm not acknowledging the hands up. All right, put your videos on. Okay, Vaishali Nair. Okay, that's your next group. All right. Okay, Ronald, Deepa Shinoy, Shushmita, Devani, the group after, and we'll hang on there for right now. And Akriti, yes, I did mention Akriti. And for now, please all can lower your hands. All right, we will also see how this keeps going. I've made note of your name. Sunita, did I take your name? I did, right? Ronald, Deepa, Sunita, Devani, and Akriti. Is that right? Okay. Kavina, hang in there. Don't worry. Like I said, we're going to try and cover as many as possible. Right now, I've just made a list of the next 2 sets that we will definitely be able to take on right here, right now. In the meantime, just repeating again in case you do have. Brenda, are you done?
We are done. Yeah.
Super. Okay, great. Awesome. Do you want to just let me know if you want me to unmute somebody?
Mona.
Yeah, Mona. Okay.
Yeah.
So Mona, I found your money flow is blocked by 70%. And the emotion, the main emotion that is blocking your money flow is energy of blame.
And the ancestor blocking you comes from a male, which is coming from your mother's side, which is the 6th generation. And it's numbered, so it's an ancestor 93.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's incredible. I just came onto this call, the live. I'm in South Africa, and it was like, whoa, I had to be here at the right time to hear this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Amazing. And now Siddharth.
Yeah, and once you're done with everybody, Siddharth, unmute yourself. There you go.
Hello.
Hi,
Yeah.
Siddharth.
Hi, Siddharth.
Hello, ma'am.
So your money flow is blocked by 63%, and the emotion that is creating this block is self-sabotage.
So I can contribute to that.
And the ancestor blocking you is female from the father's side. It's 6th generation, and it's ancestor 68.
Like anything, like can I do for that? Any like?
So you can look at our offers. We have we have sessions on different. We clear all these money blocks on different ways.
You said 6th generation and ancestor number 63.
68.
68. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And Manisha.
Okay, there are 2 Manishas. So, okay, Goel. All right. There you
Yeah,
go.
Manisha, go ahead.
Goel.
Hi.
Hi, Manisha.
So Manisha, your money flow is blocked by 78%. Yeah. And the energy that is the main emotion that is blocking your money flow is neglected. Yes. Yeah. And these emotions, they are like double-edged knives. So either you neglect or you get neglected. Both ways it can work.
And there's no ancestor blocking you, so that's good for you.
Ancestors not. I couldn't.
No ancestral blockage, so that's good.
Oh wow! Thank you. God's grace.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Thanks, Anisha. I hope all of you are resonating with it, and if you are, do acknowledge it and let them know. Okay, and who am I? I haven't. It says Bertha Sunita. Okay.
Sunita Burgess.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I think she's busy. Let's go to Neville.
Yeah.
So Neville.
So Neville, your money flow is blocked by 50%. And the energy that is blocking your money flow is complaining. Yeah. Again, either you are complaining or people are complaining. Both ways. So see how it plays in your life. Complaining. It's blocking your money.
And there's no ancestor blocking you.
How different is it from blame?
For you also, there's no ancestor blocking you. Yeah, does that make sense for you?
How is it different from blame? Yeah,
So
how
maybe-
different is it from blame?
Neville, we're unable to hear you. Can you just speak a little louder?
Yeah, how different is it from blame? Complaining, blame.
Complaining is like, I don't have enough money. Nobody gives me money. Today is such a bad day. That's complaining. And blaming in the sense is like, I didn't get a good sleep because you snored all night. Simple. Or I didn't make enough money because you didn't give a good presentation. That's the difference of the energies.
But they're kind of interconnected, Brenda and Charu.
No, blaming is totally a different ball game where you tell,
Okay.
like, you know, wish my ancestors, my father had left heritage for me. You
Okay.
put it on other people. But
Yeah.
complaining is like, oh, you know what? Why this? Why that? Like that.
Right,
So
right.
these are different energies, different
Right.
vibrations. Yeah.
Did you get that, Neville? Okay.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much.
So now we can go to Smita.
Sunita, are you free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Smita, your money
Hi,
flow is
sorry.
blocked by 90%, my dear.
Wow.
Yeah. And the
Shock.
energy that is blocking your money is disappointed.
Hmm. Sorry. I can't hear you. Sorry.
If you can mute, yeah, thank you. Yeah, you repeat.
You heard your money
I
is
heard
blocked.
90%.
Yes. 90%, and the energy is disappointed.
Okay. Interesting.
And the ancestor that is blocking you is mother's side male, coming from the 5th generation, ancestor number 47.
Okay. Interesting to find out what this is all about. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Thank
Most
you.
welcome.
I'm going to remove the spotlight from everybody right now, but I just want to let Sunita and everybody else also know really that, you know, when you're told your percentage block, or even if you're told that, you know, you're blocked or you're resistant to this, trust me, there is nothing to worry about, because these are aspects of life that we've probably not thought about. And there is something new that's coming up that is information for us. Okay. And for this, I just want to give the example.